Tony, I'm going to play one more. Wherever you are. You're ready. Okay. I think this will probably be the last one. This is called Rain Like a Rope. And it's inspired by something my son said a long time ago, but it's about pulling yourself up out of the depths. Okay. Concrete suitcase on the landing of the Shasta Dam Motel. Put your worries and your troubles in the case and wish it well. I'm climbing up the rain like a rope. I'm looking out across horizons ahead. And when I float above the rush, skyscrapers reaching up to touch the ground beneath my feet, I'll remember everything you said. Dig deep to find the truth in the pain. Before the sun shines, it's got to be rain. Thunder cracks way up above. Darkness is fitting like a glove. It's not too late to climb on up and pull out of the drain. Climbing up, oh, 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 climbing up, ooh, climbing up, oh, oh, climbing up, ooh. Circle around what's new and what's done. We fight the wars thought you had won. And when you're pushing on that stone, uphill and you're feeling all alone. Remember that where you're going more than where you're going. Climbing up, oh, 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 climbing up, ooh, climbing up, oh, 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 climbing up, Thank you very much. That's gonna probably do it for me. Anybody else? Anybody at the bar want to play a song? Oh, you.
You knew that.